Today I take the last thing, that is the long question with their answers of the chapter 4, the enemy. Okay, long question with their answers, and each answer should be written under 150 words. So, first question which I have taken for you with answers: what was the general's plan to get rid of Americans' prisoner? Was it executed? What traits of the general's character are highlighted in the lesson The Enemy? मीन्स जनरल का प्लान क्या था अमेरिकन यानी कि विदेशी अमेरिकन कैदी से छुटकारा पाने के लिए टू सदाओ, क्या ये संभव हो पाया, एग्जीक्यूट किया गया था? क्या जनरल के कैरेक्टर के जनरल के जो चरित्र है उसके क्या लक्षण हैं, इसमें इस में हाईलाइट जो किए हुए हैं बताए गए हैं वो देखिए. The Dr. Sadao was mentally tortured by the presence of the enemy in his house. His wife too was quite distressed. Finally, he decided to inform the general about the enemy and thus get rid of him. The general planned to send his private assassins, ASSINS means killers, hatyari, to kill the American prisoner and get his body removed by the professional killers also. He told the doctor to keep the window of the soldier's room open so that the assassins had means killers had no problem entering into the room. However, the general's plan was not executed. His killers never arrived to Dr. Sadao, and Dr. Sadao, tired of waiting for them, and helped the prisoner escape. The general was so absorbed in his illness that he had forgotten all about the whole affair. यानी अपनी बीमारी में इतना एब्जॉर्ब हो गया था कि वो इस प्लान के बारे में नहीं ध्यान दिया, भूल गया. He even wanted Sadao not to inform anybody about this, lest the general should be charged with lack of patriotism और negligence of duty. और डॉक्टर सदाव को जनरल ने ये प्रस्तावित किया कि वो किसी को भी इसके अमेरिकन प्रिजनर के बारे में न बताए, अदरवाइज नहीं तो जनरल के ऊपर ड्यूटी, पेट्रियोटिज्म, देश द्रोह का या देश प्रेम की कमी का और अपनी ड्यूटी की लापरवाही का चार्ज लगेगा, आरोप लगेगा. दिस शोज दैट द जनरल वॉज अ हाईली सेल्फिश मैन, बीइंग only concerned about his own safety and pride. He also did not send Sadao to the battlefield where he could have saved the lives of thousands of soldiers. यानी उसने नहीं भेजा, or only because of he himself needed Sadao's services. Next question number 2. The enemy portrays this chapter the victory of humanity in a moment of that is crisis. Illustrate this fact through the actions taken by Dr. Sadao for the enemy soldier. यानी द एनिमी जो चैप्टर है वो चित्रण करता है ह्यूमन मानवता की विजय के बारे में. एक मोमेंट, क्राइसिस का एक मोमेंट है, इसको इलस्ट्रेट करें फैक्ट्स के आधार पर. एन अमेरिकन प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर वॉज वॉस्ड एश्योर इन अ डाइंग स्टेट to Dr. Sadao's house. He was found at the doorstep of a Japanese doctor, Dr. Sadao. First of all, doctor faced a dilemma. Dilemma means trouble with confusion. Should Sadao save him as a doctor or hand him over to army as a patriot? क्या ऐसे डॉक्टर उसके जीवन को बचा ले अथवा एक देशभक्त होने के कारण वो आर्मी को सौंप दे. जापान वॉज एट वॉर विद अमेरिका. ही एक्टेड promptly. Dr. Sadao acted promptly and packed the wound as a human with a sea moss lying spread on the beach. Once he thought of throwing back into the sea, he thought also as a Now to be continued the same answer of the question 2. If he shelter, that is a white man in his house, he could be arrested. If Dr. Sadao, that is, turned him as a prisoner, he would certainly die. अगर prisoner की दृष्टि से देखा हो तो निश्चित वो मर जाएगा before the operation. Dr. Sadao and his kind-hearted wife Hannah faced hand, that is opposition, also hard operation of the servants and maid servant Yumi. Yumi refused to wash the wound of the white man. The servants left doctor in anger. Hannah washed herself the wounds and helped doctor in giving anesthetic to patient, that is the liquid drug medicine used for unconscious making the patient. Dr. Sadao was no less a patriotic than anyone else. So but ethics means manav moral or to human behavior of his profession had trained him to save anybody or dying person or enemy also. Putting aside all obstacles, सारी रुकावटें, difficulties and dangers, Dr. Sadao operated on the enemy soldiers. Not only that, he also helped the enemy to escape to freedom from his or Sadao's house. Question 3. What impression do you form about Dr. Sadao as a man and as a surgeon on your reading the chapter The Enemy? Dr. Sadao is not only answer a superb surgeon, but he is a man of respecting to humanity with his brimful mercy in the depth of his heart. Brimful means laval bhara hua mercy se. As we go through the chapter, we see different shapes of his or shades of his character. Dr. Sadao was a famous surgeon and scientist. He was about to perfect a discovery which render means refer entirely clean. The general, that is the general was so trusted him so much with his life that he was not sent with the troops during the World War. Dr. Sadao respected him immensely his father. It was his father's wish that he should become a surgeon, and Dr. Sadao fulfilled it. He married Hannah according to his father's wishes. Dr. Sadao was a highly patriotic citizen to his country, Japan. He was duty bound to hand over the American soldier or prisoner of war to the Japanese police. However, when the assurance was not backed up by any action on the general's part or side, कोई नहीं मिला उसको करने का जनरल की तरफ से, द ह्यूमैनिटेरियन मीन्स मानवीयता के आधार पर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द सिचुएशन मेड डॉक्टर सदाउज हेल्प द अमेरिकन टू एस्केप फ्रॉम डॉक्टर सदाउज होम फॉर एवर. Now this is the end of that. Next day after tomorrow I will begin the chapter 5 from Vistas. Should wizard hit the mummy? Read it. Thank you.